Best practice number 7. Use humor to engage your audience and make your content more memorable. Best practice number 8. Use hashtags and descriptive titles to make your content discoverable. Best practice number 9. Utilize trending topics or challenges to ride the wave of popular culture. Best practice number 10. Collaborate with other creators to reach new audiences and create engaging content. Thanks for watching this video. I have prepared 15-module complimentary course on the topic exploring the world of YouTube Shorts for businesses. Grab your copy by clicking the link given in description. And don't forget to like and share this video and hit the bell icon so you can get all updated videos in future.